So, yung flight namin last time, Manila to Zamboanga. Safety flight. Maganda yung magbiyahe kasi hindi siya kung yung weather. Okay talaga yung weather. So, welcome back to Zamboanga. Yan. Nagla-landing na yung aeroplane.